Poppy makes
a big chocolate Easter egg filled with marshmallows. Hey there, and welcome, or maybe even welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've made any kind of video, so I decided to make something really cool, a chocolate Easter egg filled with marshmallows. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and I will now tell you what you will be needing. Marshmallows, or any kind of light soft candy you prefer, white chocolate, milk chocolate, bowls, a spatula, an Easter egg silicone mold, a food thermometer, and spoons. For this, I'm going to try and temper my chocolate. I have never done this as I really should before because I haven't ever felt I really needed to, but for this I would really like to make a chocolate that snaps, cracks, and doesn't look dull or white. Well, except for the white chocolate, of course. There are a few methods on how to temper chocolate, like tempering by tabling on like a marble plate, but I'm going to temper by adding chocolate solids, seeding. This is done au bain-marie in a double boiler. Different chocolates need to be brought to different temperatures. I'll put those exact temperatures all down below in the description box. Basically, it's just put in 2/3 of your chocolate, bring it to its desired temperature, cool it with the remaining 1/3 to its desired temperature, and put it once more on the double boiler to bring the temperature a bit up. Once the chocolate has the right temperature, pour it into the mold. You can build up layers like I'm going to do, so add a bit of chocolate and swirl around up to the side until it's sort of set, and then actually let it set before adding more layers of chocolate the same way. Or you could add a lot of chocolate, let that set a bit, and dump out the rest of the chocolate so you will be left with a shell of chocolate. I have added layer by layer up until 5 layers of milk chocolate and 1 layer of white chocolate. Then I let it set overnight. Once the 2 parts are totally set, it is time to join them together. Carefully pop the chocolate out of the mold. Mine ended up looking quite good, as I say so myself, maybe a bit more dull than I was hoping for, but it's still looking good. I filled the 2 halves with some of the marshmallows, and with some more melted chocolate, glued the 2 pieces together. I found it was easiest to put a bit of chocolate all around the edges. Place the 2 halves together, and then by using the mold, keeping them in place, smooth out the sides bit by bit. Smooth out one side, set it aside to harden, and so on until the whole egg is one piece. Since it wasn't as pretty as I hoped it would look, I melted some white chocolate and gave the egg some brush strokes and added some marshmallow flowers. By cutting a marshmallow a certain way, I made it look like a flower. You could, in this stage, add any type of decoration. I just wouldn't make it too heavy, just add sprinkles, candy melts, just some small light candy types. This egg would make a lovely gift, so here's a way to gift wrap your egg. Take a piece of thicker paper, maybe even pattern one with some soft pastel colors, cut a small stroke and make a ring using some scotch tape. I wouldn't recommend glue, maybe using a glue stick would work, but if you're wanting to go with like glue gun or any type of other glue, I wouldn't really use it because you're dealing with food. Next, take a piece of foil, place the ring in the center, place the egg on top, fold the edges of the foil together, and by using ribbons, make a pretty bow on top. To crack open the egg, just grab a spoon and smash the top just like you would do with a regular egg. Only just with a little more force, I guess. And that is it. This is how you make, wrap, and break your own chocolate Easter egg. Have fun and have a great Easter! For more ideas and free printables, please visit my blog puppymakesdiy.blogspot.com. If you have any ideas or requests on what I should make or bake next time, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Click here to watch any of my other videos or to subscribe to my channel so you'll never miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!